I gotta show them the OG, baby. Man, you talking about OG, guys. Them real Daytons on there. Vogues, 20s. See my boy? Been in the game a long time. Super clean. Woo! Yeah. You see my boy? You're good. All good. Super clean. Buick. All right, man. Bet that up. There you go. That BMW sitting on 6s. Sitting flush. No poke. Custom suspension lift. 4 Giottos. Woo! Coast to coast, back at it again. Ooh, that sits on there so perfect. 26s. All suspension work. Tons of work has been done to this car. Relocating water bottles, relocating wires, and tons of stuff. Extended spindles, aluminum spindles. Guys, you know, when you want to get it done right, yeah, pay a few dollars, but Coast to Coast Customs will get you done right the first time, always. Appreciate all my customers out there. Back at it. Yeah, we're working on it right now. We've been trimming, a little bit of trimming, a little bit of cutting in the front. And we already cut the front here, and we're gonna have to cut more to the back here. And we lifted it. It's looking good. Put it together. Piece in the hydrant booster. Back wheels are on the car, done completely. Finished. What's going on, guys? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast, from back at it again. Like I said, not always caddies, not always donks, not always cutlasses. We get new cars too, man, which is super easy to work on. Got a brand new 2000, I think it's a 2024 S580. Wow, what a beautiful car, man. Mercedes really did a great job when they built this car. They changed the interiors, amazing. The car's amazing. All we had to do was nice little wrap here. You have a matte black wrap over here that changed the whole look of the car. With the white guts, it just pops out. You got a satin black face, big cat 4 Giottos, gloss black lip, and I believe the bolts are gloss black too. So the bolts are gloss black, this satin black in the face, 22 staggered, sit perfect. You can lower it if the guy wants to lower it a little bit, or we can leave it like that. He can drive no problem on here. Talking about sexy car? Sexy car, beautiful car. With the white guts, super clean. Yeah, man, it's just clean, man. Simple, easy. Listen, it's easy to put wheels like this on cars. Everyone can put wheels and tires on these cars. This is not hard. The hard part is the old school cars, man. If you guys all know it out there, everyone knows it out there. It takes time to build these old cars. These old cars have problems, and these gears, and these rear ends, and these posies, and these calipers. There's always something going on. A new car, wheels and tires slap on, and they just cruise down the road, man, with no problems, no headaches. Listen, we do it all here. Coast to Coast Customs. Check us out. Peace.
I need to keep it real. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changed is the location on the map. Clothes all black, cars all black. Game on tap, game intact. First I scrap, then I stack. Only thing changed is the location on the map.
The caddy, baby. Make sure it floats. Caddies, you know they float when you drive them. And make sure it floats till 60, baby. Go.
up. W's as easy as a layup. Working late, stay up. Counting all the way up. Counting blessings, yeah, you know we pray up. Pray up. On track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going on track, now we going way up. Now we going way up. Now we going.
All gold wheels, full board, staggered, sixes, no wood in the front. Ride's good.
We on the way, we came to play. Yeah, we came to play, we on the way. You know, yeah, we on the way, we came to play. Alright now, we came to play.
What's going on, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and we are back at it again. You have a Caddy, listen, Fleetwood, big body, 26s. You don't need a lot on these Cadillacs. He's just started working on this car, just bought the car. It's super clean, no cut, it has not been lifted, so he brought it to us. We want to put 26s, so we got to do a little bit of trim work. So you can drive the car in the front, you can turn, lift it the front a little bit, still got that little lean to it. 5-inch lip in the back, 3 in the front, 26 Asantes, super clean. It's like he just started a project on here, so we're gonna go paint, we're gonna do interiors, gonna do a bunch of other work. I just got at the beginning, which I like to get the cars at the beginning. Let me do my cut, let me do my suspension, go do your paint and body work later on, and let me see the project when I'm done. Coast to coast, listen, always doing something different, guys. Peace.
Get like me, seem like everybody wanna be the boss, but it costs and these lames ain't like me. Drop a couple bands on the crypto fans, know my go, I ain't gotta tell them what it is. Tell them I'm a grown man, so you'll never fool me with the cap you be selling to the kids. Shorty, we the lords of the land, we wavy. Bad little mama tryna have a baby. In a coupe seat color like gravy. Children of the sun, why these so shady? Boss talk with the wolf pack, I ain't never look back. Got a couple bands and I flip that. I be chillin' with my shorty, got the crib on karate. Keep up, little baby, that's a kickback. Can't flex on the living hate free, but he say real, but I know that can't be. Payin' for the late fee, hit her from the side till I get home safely. Got 3 chains on me, neck strong, and a checks long, and I'm up now. And I make little baby feel good in the hood around you. Shorty can't put a cup down. Glide through your hood like soap on a runway. No sleep, check a bag on a Sunday. Get it.
All right, guys, now I don't know if you've seen one of these cars hooked up yet. You might have not, I'm not sure. This is the new car top. This is the 2024, maybe a 2025, I don't even know that. This is brand new, beautiful GT55 coupe. Not the convertible, this is the coupe, this is the new version, man. This thing is a beast. The car is beautiful. This color is just super sexy. We all love this color. Everyone has different colors. I don't know the name exactly what they want to call it. But we put the Bostons on here, staggered Bostons on here. Beautiful to the Bostons, gloss black. They had them powder coated. We did the B yellow to match the calipers. The car's a little bit dirty right now. To match the rain, if you pay attention, a little bit of yellow right here, just to match the V on there. Car sexy, man. Just put some 22s on here, stagger. I think it's a 22 by 11 in the back. I think we're gonna go a little bit wider. He actually custom ordered some new wheels for here. So we're gonna change it up again, but this is again, I think it's a 2025 GT55 coupe. Beautiful car, guys. Like I said, coast to coast. We don't always do donks and cutlasses and regals and cut cars up. We do brand new cars too. Slap wheels on it. You go, man. Coast to coast, always doing something different, man. I appreciate everybody. Peace. body forged. Now these are not powder coated. These are actually gold plated. These were taken apart, 3-piece wheel. First you have to be chrome plated, nickel, to go gold plated. Every single bolt is gold plated. Not only is the front gold plated, the back. Every nut has been gold plated in the back. That means the inner barrel was either chrome before and then gold plated after. Listen guys, these are expensive. They're not Danes, I get it, they're different vibe, different look, but to do a wheel like this is very expensive. This is really gold plated, 3-piece wheel, 7-inch lip. It's gonna go on someone's special car. You'll see it soon. You'll know the car. You'll say, okay, wow, why did you change up? Listen, it's summertime. We like to change up our wheels like changing up your shoes, man. It makes the look of the car completely different. Change your shoes up, change the whole vibe up, man. Coast to Coast is always doing something different. Should catch us.
It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam. It's just me and the fam.
All right, guys, we got a new wheel here. I don't know if anyone's seen this wheel before, but it is a really, really nice job. Forgiato has not been changing a lot of designs lately, but they did recently just now dropped a couple new designs, and this is one of them, and it is beautiful. The design aspect and the forging on this wheel is A1. I love the way they cut the spoke all the way inside here and they forged it. Have it sitting on the lip here. It's like almost like an ECL. This is a 7-inch lip on here, but the design, the way they cut it and forged it, it looks almost like a billet wheel, I would say. Could look good on a pickup truck, like a lower pickup truck, or a Donk, or a Cutlass. It all depends what we're doing. This is actually built for a Donk. I can't wait to see it on the car. The guy's working on the project, so it's gonna take a little time. Might be a little time before we see it on the car, but I had to show you the wheel prior to going on the vehicle because it's such a nice design. Now this is their new version of their floating cap, their billet 3D floating cap this is. Not the small one, they made a small one, this is the new big one here. So it's the floating 3D billet cap. It sits flush, doesn't come out like the old one. It really has just a sexy design on it. They finally changed some things up. And listen, Forgiato is always innovating and doing a great job. It's hard to stay on top. When you're on top, a lot of people want to follow you and chase you and have different designs. I'm not saying there's other great guys out there building wheels. But these guys have been doing it for a long time, guys. Forgiato's been doing it for a really long time. Hats off for them for changing it. Even though everyone wants to rise on Forgiatos and the Santis and other companies, they did a great job on this wheel. It's brand new design. Call Coast to Coast Customs and we'll hook you up, man. We have 2 locations, Jacksonville and Fort Lauderdale, anytime. Peace. Oh, Riley want to come out of the back and say, what's up? All right, guys, got truck wheels too. Not always Cutlasses and Donks and Ferraris and Mercedes and all these other vehicles. We also do pickup trucks, man. This is an old school vintage look. It could be in the 60s and it could be in the 70s. It's really good, really nice wheel. It's a 1-piece cast wheel, but staggered. It comes in 20s and it comes in 22s. It's good for that C10 pickup truck. Beautiful looking wheel. It's called the Scottsdale, if you see right here. It's called the Scottsdale. Here's the wheel, forging, super nice. Comes in 20s, staggered, 10, it comes in 22, 10 and a half in the back, and it comes in 20, let's see this, 20 right there. 20 by 10 and 20 by 8. It even comes 6-lug. So guys, with a 6-lug truck, you can put some looking vintage, old school looking wheels, but on a new vehicle. And it looks good, man. It's something different, man. Change it up a little bit. Get the brush center, chrome cap, stainless steel lip. Always something different, always something new at Coast to Coast. Peace.
I am number 1, not number 2. If I'm not the one, I'm uncomfortable. See the competition I've been running through. Leveled up, I only see him in my rear view. Switch. Yeah, I'm ballin'.
Go. Gotta love it. Coast to Coast back at it again. The Boston, big floating caps, Rolls Royce, 22s. Don't even put 24s or 6s. Just slap some 22s on his car and look good. Coast to Coast always wears something funky. Gotta love it. Ooh, with the white interior. Ooh, with the blue and the wood. Man. Now you shouldn't drive this car. You should be driven around in this car, right? Tables. Gotta love it. Listen to that, man. 22s on the Odyssey van. What I tell people, stay in your lane. Everyone can ride. 22s look good on the Honda. You gotta look good when you're rolling around picking up the kids at the groceries.
Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'. Yeah, I'm ballin', yeah, I'm ballin', been ballin'.
Ain't nothing like this new Benz, man. All matte. The matte face wheel, big cap, gloss lip, Forgiatos. All blacked out. Sexy car. I'm telling you, mean. Real nice. It's a gorgeous car, man. Luxury. It's the Batmobile. There it is. 22 staggered. Sit perfect. Got matte satin black wrap. Nasty.